Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a BMW 5 Series guys, and I'm talking about generation guys E39 E60 E61 guys. So that should cover 5 Series from year 1997 all the way to year 2010. You have red oil light on. We'll explain guys the top 3 reasons that can cause that. Make sure you stand till the end. Well, we're making this video guys because you requested it. Okay, and as you know, we had multiple BMW 5 Series, but it will relate to pretty much any BMW. We have that BMW here, we'll demonstrate on it, but it's practically the same because, as you know, BMW uses the same engines, let's say in 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5, multiple BMWs. Now, before we start guys, okay, let me tell you one thing. If you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below. We'll share where we get all our tools and parts from for a really good price. Number 2 guys, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos. You probably already know that, but why we do it? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. So let me show you guys, okay, what can cause red oil light and what it means. When you see that light guys, okay, turn your car off immediately at a safe place guys. Why? Because it could be, okay, it could be low oil pressure in your engine, and as a result guys you can destroy your engine. Now let me tell you one thing guys, okay, doesn't matter which engine you have, diesel, gasoline, you need to find your oil filter housing, and somewhere on the oil filter housing you have a sensor like that. This is known as oil pressure sensor or oil pressure switch. What it does guys, okay, it's on and off switch. If the car has enough oil pressure, okay, it actually turns the switch off. And if the car does not produce enough oil pressure, the engine doesn't produce enough oil pressure, it will activate the switch and it will turn your red oil light on. Now at that point guys, it could be loose wire, broken wire somewhere, make sure the connection is good. It could be a faulty switch, or you hope it's not guys, bad oil pump or bad engine. Okay, now we'll explain about each one of those. If you have bad oil pump guys, which means that the oil pump is not building enough oil pressure, as a result guys, what is happening? Okay, actually your car will not build enough oil pressure. Okay, and if you keep driving your car any longer guys, it could be even 30 seconds more or a minute more, you can practically destroy your engine. Why? Because the engine will not be getting oil. Your cylinder head will not get oil, enough oil. The crankshaft will not get enough oil. The bearings, rod bearings, main bearings, pistons, they will not get oil, and you can completely destroy the engine to the point that you will just need a new engine or a major engine rebuild, which is even more expensive than getting a replacement engine. Now, number 2 guys, it could be engine that is really worn out, but in that case you will notice usually the light will come on and off, eventually on and off, when let's say the engine oil is cold. When you start the engine cold you have more oil pressure, and when the car warms up, if it's really worn out engine, okay, you may lose oil pressure, and that's when the pump the light will come on actually guys. So in that case you will need engine rebuild or new engine. But number 3 guys, it could be just a bad switch connection or a broken wire. Now we'll have a video how to test oil pressure sensor switch on BMW. Okay, it will be on our channel. I'll try to put it soon guys, how to test the switch to know if it's good. Test the switch, okay, and if it's not good, replace it. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Also there is a special device that you can remove the switch, okay, and actually when you remove guys the switch, you can install that device. It's a gauge, and it's going to tell you how much oil pressure your car is producing. And if you don't detect any oil pressure, okay, or it's too low, turn the car off immediately guys. All we need to do is just start it for maybe 2-3 seconds just to check the oil pressure, and that's it. Now if it's producing good amount of oil pressure, then it's a bad switch too. So you just need to replace the switch, and we've had multiple switches that failed on other cars, not one on BMW recently, but it does happen guys, and I know some people that actually had that failed as well. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.